What you're looking at is a beautiful, beautiful Akai CS-M40R from 1980, the year 1980, not the 80s. It's a mechanical wonder from that year. Alright, watch this. Now, let's rewind to the end of the tape. So what you're looking at, this reverse selector. So this is the grandfather of the cycle button of Spotify, iTunes, all the digital music player. All right, we're almost there. A bit more. All right, let's see. All right, now we're playing the other side of the tape. Well, then you can cycle endlessly. Isn't that sound of the mechanical reversion of the tape amazing? Now next I'm going to demo the recording. Now recording from line in. Here's my source. All right, here's the volume adjustment. And incredibly, it can also, well, should it be in the record mode. Incredibly, it can also record both directions. Isn't that amazing? All right, to purchase this amazing deck, you can find the link in description of this video down below. You can purchase from either eBay or Etsy.